Welcome to Canton Fair Phase 2 Day 4. Today I'm going to show you the e-commerce product, household item, new product, new technology, new innovation and great business ideas. And I'll also tell you the prices and the MOQ in the video. And if you haven't watched the Phase 1 video, Phase 2 video, you can go to my YouTube channel and watch those videos. Otherwise, you'll miss a lot of new product. And subscribe my channel. And today's video is going to be quite exciting. So let's explore together. Check out this one. I think this is the something new in Canton Fair. Let me show you. And yeah, right now they have added this one. Can you see that? So it's quite solid. And if you're not using it, you just do like this. So I think this is quite convenient right now. You can get it in different sizes, and the price is like $1.95, and the FOB and MOQ is like 2,000 pieces. You can get in different sizes as well. Check it out. The quality is good. This factory, I think they have quite big SKU, and you can also do the OEM, ODM as well. And the quality standard is fine. And yeah, you can get a lot of things here. Check out this one. This is like shoes box, right? Right now they have the new concept. You can put your shoes inside, and they have two magnets here. And also this one, a slightly change, and this is a little bit different. Yeah. So this price is like $2.1, and this is $2.87 FOB, and the MOQ is like 1,400 pieces. And yeah, this is also another one, shoes box. And you can also do the ODM, OEM. Check out this concept. So it won't have any problem with your shoes like dust, or it won't. Yeah, so I think this is a very good idea as well. So for e-commerce industry, for home purpose, this is good. Check out this one. I think this is quite good. The quality standard is better, and you can also do the partition here as well, just like this. Check out this one. And the price is like $1.20 FOB, 200 MOQ, and also this one $1.45 and 200 MOQ. This one $1.35, 200 MOQ, and also this one. Check out this one. You can do the partition here as well. This is just $0.75. The quality standard is good. Yep. Check out this one. I think this is a new concept. This is like the PP, and this is the polyester, and it's comfy actually. So a nice concept, and the price is like $5.5 FOB, and the MOQ is like 1,000 pieces. And this is a little bit different, but the price is same. Like this is the PP, and this is the PU, but it's more soft. The PU is more soft. So the 1,000 MOQ, $5.5. So you can also get in different colors as well, and also do the OEM, ODM. Yeah. Check out this one. This is melamine, not a plastic, and it feels like ceramic. And check out the pictures, and even I can feel it. Yeah. So the design is very good, and the price is just like 75 cents, 1,200 pieces. Why 1,200? Because you can customize your logo, your name, anything like this. You can see they have different designs. Even you can choose your own. Won't be any problem. And you can also choose the small one. The small one is like 55 cents here, and 1,200 pieces MOQ. And yeah, this one. And let's come to the plate side. This is also melamine. And check out the plate. This is 96 cents. This is also melamine. Customize anything on it. And let's go to that part. This one. This is whole set. 2 plates, 1 bowl, 1 cup. This is $3.98, 1,200 MOQ. You can customize anything. You can name. I think this is also a good thing. And this is melamine. And let me tell you something about melamine, that melamine is more welcoming in US and Australia, these countries, but in Europe, I think they have some kind of restrictions, but before they were also buying this, but right now it's more famous in these countries like Australia, America, and also this one. Check out this one. This is like $1.82 FOB, and you can also customize anything on it. Check out this great innovation here. I think this is a great business model as well. Right now, you don't need to control the umbrella manually. Just press these buttons and it would work. I think this is quite amazing. And the best part is how to arrange. You just need to do like this and you can arrange. This is UV protection here as well. And the material is the carbon here. So it won't have any problem. The water would not come here at this side. So I think this is a great umbrella here as well. And this is IPX5 and it can also, charging is 150 times you can use up and down 150 times. And the FOB price is $26 and the MOQ is like the 300 pieces, just 300 pieces, and you can also customize your logo. So I think this is also a great business model. Check out this one. If you do like this, there's a music. So I think this is also a very great business idea, and this umbrella especially for kids. And there's a music, and there's a light here as well. So a lot of kids, they would love this product, and this is the new product here at Canton Fair, and the FOB price is like $8.2. That's it. And MOQ is like 1,200 pieces. You can also customize your logo here. And so I think this is also a very nice product. Yeah. Check out those umbrellas. This is bigger in size, this is smaller in size. But let me show you the magic. If you open this, same size. So I think this is a great innovation here. This is a new one. Let me show you one more time. Check it out. Different sizes, right? Yeah, check it out, different sizes. But whenever you open, it would be like this. So I think this one is great. Now check out this one. This is pocket friendly. That's my phone and I can show you. Yeah. So it's very light and I can show you. Check it out. You can put in your pocket and there won't be any trouble. And how to use it? The FOB price is $6.2. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So this is also a good business model. Check out this product. This is like all-in-one. Let me show you. This is the hair dryer, right? And there's a button here. You just press it. And very light product. And you can also straighten your hair and curl your hair. And this is for the styling. And yeah. So, but this has different functions. Like you can also do the massage here as well. The quality standard is good. And also do the brush your hair as well. So I think this is also a good product. And the FOB price is like $25. And yeah, so the MOQ is like the 3,000. You can also customize your logo here. Check out this product. This is like the fruit and vegetable cleaner, and you can use it like for 10 minutes, and in 10 minutes it will clean your all vegetables and the fruit. Check it out, it's still working. And the FOB price is like the $8. The MOQ is 2,000 pieces, and you can use it like in full charging 25 times. Check out those products. I think they're very good for e-commerce. Here we go. Check out. This is quite viral right now, and this is all the silicone, and the price is like FOB price is $1.78, and yeah, it's quite fun. And they're in different sizes as well. And this is 1.02 FOB, and this one, yeah, check it out, just like this. So this is also $1.02, and this one is $1.95. Yeah. Yeah, like this, 1.95. They also have some other categories like this, and many more. So if you need further details, you can contact me. Check out this one. I think this is also good for especially the e-commerce industry and also the wholesale as well. And it has two functions like this. They can also make the bubbles as well. The FOB price is $0.28 and the MOQ is 3,000. But in 3,000, you can also mix the 4 designs here as well. But they have a lot of, I think, couple of the different stuff here. So if you need the further details, you can contact me. I can share everything with you. This is a sock, and sock got a great respect here. Let me show you a great business model. Here we go. You can see. Those are all our socks. Those all are socks. Here we go. Check it out, this one. This is a sock and the FOB price is like just only 63 cents. That's it. Here we go. You can choose any here. They all are socks. And here the wine bottles, the beverages, all are socks. It's like the $1.25 FOB. And here, this one. There are two socks. It's like 2.48. So you can also gift. And this business, I think you don't need to do any kind of advertisement because people will do advertisement for you. And this one, they are towels. I think this is mind-blowing idea. If you need the further details, you can contact with me. I think this is a great business idea as well. I hope you liked today's video, and one day is not enough to cover all these items, all these products. And I'll come here again because I'll cover all the phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. But if you have any query, you can contact with me and subscribe my channel. If you haven't subscribed, then you'll miss so many new products, so many new business ideas. So subscribe my channel and see you in next video. Stay premium.